Hi, my name's John. Welcome to Deb's New Kitchen in the first cooking video of 2018. For a complete change, I'm going to cook an oriental dish. It's still going to be fried, but it's going to be fried in a slightly different way. What I'm going to be cooking or trying to cook is beef and black bean sauce, one of my favourite meals. First thing we need is some onion. Let's peel the skin off it. Fairly coarsely chopped onion. Right, the next thing is the beef, and I'm actually going to use a ribeye steak. You only get out what you put in. That's a nice steak. This is cut into strips. The strips want to be probably 1/4 inch thick, 5 to 6 mil. Right, the sliced up beef goes into here along with a good squirt of soy sauce just to coat it. You could marinate it overnight, but it's just it gives it a coating, it gives the seasoned flour something to stick to. Small sprinkling of flour. Corn flour is ideal, but I haven't got any. Pepper, salt. Right, and it's simple enough. The beef's put in here, tossed around, it's nicely coated with the seasoned flour. Right, I've got a dry wok on a nice hot gas, a little bit of olive oil. This needs to be hot before you put the meat in. The idea is to cook it fast. Right, once the oil is nice and warm, in with the strips of beef. Keep stirring them round, that's why it's called stir frying. You keep stirring them, get them sealed up. It doesn't take long to cook once you get it going. Right, that's sealed off. You put some onions in. Enough of them. camera quality code smells. Next I've got a packet of black bean stir fry sauce. I've used it before, it is nice quality stuff. That goes in. Okay, get it all out. The wheels are softening up now, it's just about cooked. I'm going to do noodles with the stir fry. And these noodles just go straight in, already prepared. And these I should have teased them apart a little bit. Just better. Okay, this is just about done. Right, once again, it's just that time to say, bon appetit, bon lad. That's beautiful. I forgot to put the mushrooms in, I know, but still, very nice.